Hello, welcome back once again. Sanatic Automation here. Today we will see basic product which is mostly used as of now in industrial automation and machine. These industrial products are, for example, PLC, HMI, AC drive, variable frequency drive, VFD, servo motor and servo drive, encoder, sensor, induction motor, SCADA and list goes on. So let's start to simplify. First we will see overall the product and then later we will discuss one by one. So these are the mostly used the industrial automation product. Here the servo motor is there and servo drive is there, AC drive is there and power cable, encoder cable and interface cable for the servo motor. There is the one gearbox also. This is the gearbox and this is the servo drive, means AC drive VFD. It's a Delta make and this is the servo drive Panasonic. This is the Delta servo drive and this is the again VFD Delta and this is a small HMI and this is the braking register. See, braking register mostly we use for the back EMF regenerative. Once we stop suddenly motor and servo motor, then it stores some current so that to minimize that means back EMF and regenerative force, that current. So we use this braking register. This is the small 4.3 inch HMI Delta. You can see back side. And this is the Delta V PLC DVP28SV transistor type. Mostly we use this for the servo motor. You can use in any application also, but mostly we use in the once application is a higher end, like we are using one servo motor, two servo motor in application. So this Delta 28SV you use. See it here. And this is the Delta VFD and this is the gearbox. There is a different type of the gearbox. This type of the gearbox we are using in the servo motor. So once the application like inducing type, where the torque means stopping torque required very high, so in that case we use the gearbox. And this is the servo drive, again 5 kilowatt. And this is the Panasonic servo motor, 5 kilowatt means 5000 watt. We will open it and see. Nice packing by the Panasonic. See it here, 5 kilowatt Panasonic servo motor. The manual they also they have given. So come to this point. This is also Leaky series, Panasonic Leaky series servo drive. (400 watt). This is the power cable, servo drive power cable, where U, V and W and earthing, and this is a 52 pin interface cable. See here the numbering is given. And this is the most important cable in the servo motor and servo drive case. This is the encoder cable, which will take the feedback from the motor and give to the servo drive. So once we are running in position control and pulse mode, in that case it's very important. See, it will go to drive side like this, another will be goes to motor side in this motor. Okay, so this is the Delta PLC DVP32ES, and this is the extension module. Delta PLC extension module, which can use to DVP S series. This is 16 DVP 16SP 11T. T for transistor type and R for relay type. And this is a encoder. I think you heard the name Atonics. It's Atonic encoder we use in the tension control where pulses requirement. See, here the no hammering symbol is there. Do not impact. And this is the 7-inch Delta HMI new series. Nice packing. And this is the Profess HMI by Schneider Electric. Schneider Electric take over the Profess. And these are the also servo drive, 3 kilowatt servo drive. This is the also servo drive. Motor we have used in the machine. We have supplied to the machine manufacturer where mechanical work is going on. So our panel is wiring is going on. So once completed, we will assemble in the control panel and it will go to the client end. So these are the basic product. Okay, there are also so many product, SCADA and other things. But mostly industrial automations as of nowadays we use in the with a machine manufacturer, means AC drive and servo drive, Panasonic servo motor, different brand is there. Mitsubishi is there, Schneider is there, and Fuji is there, Yashikawa is there, ABB is there. So many brand is there, and in PLC also so many brand, Schneider PLC and Mitsubishi PLC, Fuji is there, ABB is there, Allen Bradley, Rockwell Automation, Siemens is there. So many brand is available. We are talking all these Siemens MNC brand, and that VFD mostly used in the VFD AC drive, and there is the induction motor also. Induction motor we use that also come in the means industrial automation. So we use the to control the means RPM of the induction motor, general motor by AC drive. So these are the basic and instrument of the industrial automation nowadays we use. We have seen all means Panasonic servo motor and PLC encoder and extension module of the PLC, and these are the servo drive. Different model is here. This is the braking register. I have already explained about this. Panasonic, so many other products are also there, like means programmable logic controller, human machine, eco energy component, industrial sensor, static removers, laser markers, measurement sensor, safety component, machine vision systems, UV means curing system. So these are the means a catalog for that. Almost I think 1500 pages is there. All the products they have mentioned in this. You can go on the means Panasonic site. You can read this all catalog, whatever the product they have. You can also go on the Delta site, means which brand you are using. So they have given all the information on their website. So you can also visit our website also, www.sanatecautomation.com. We have given all the information about that. So whatever the requirement you have, you can contact us, mail us. Thanks once again. We are trying to be a part of self-reliance India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we are supporting to Make in India, Made in India, and Stand Up India. Likes and subscribe our channel and share with whoever related to this field. Thank you. Be connected for the next videos.